Welcome to 102 Cheltenham Street, Malvern. Get ready to embrace the charms of a sandstone villa on 784 square metres, a coveted gem for its desirability. This particular home, crafted in 2005, seamlessly combines timeless appeal with modern convenience, requiring minimal maintenance. What we love is the exceptional amenities, including master and children accommodation wings with up to 4 bedrooms, formal and open plan living spaces with a central kitchen overlooking the covered entertaining space, bathed in stunning northern light. Not to mention the rarest of features in this area, side-by-side garaging for 4 cars. Discover the charms of your new neighbourhood in Malvern, renowned for its capital value increase. Stroll to vibrant restaurant and boutique hubs along King William and Unley Road. Enjoy a cosmopolitan lifestyle with tree-lined streets and the iconic Sturt Oval just moments away. Highgate Primary, Unley High School and prestigious private institutions like Walford, Mercedes, Scotch, Pulteney and Concordia, all conveniently nearby. What truly stands out about this home is its exceptional balance between everyday functionality and the perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Treat yourself to the best of both worlds in Adelaide's inner southern suburbs. Thank you for your time today. I'm Angela Steniford from Owens Casserly Real Estate. We look forward to seeing you at our opens.